Here's something I finally got a picture of Mars. This is not any about anomaly like any petrified or bodies or fossils. But it does validate such claims, making it more likely to be real, making it more possible. You see this right here? No, this is nothing artificial. It's an impact crater, currently a dust-filled impact crater. That thing is so clear from such a distance, so big, so huge. This would have blew off a huge chunk of the planet. Mars might have had more gravity, more atmosphere, and it didn't gradually lose it. It could have catastrophically lost it in some sort of huge impact. Looking at the slide, judging by the size of this crater, and what's more Earth-like much more recently. I mean, just think of the rate it's losing its atmosphere. A centimeter a day. So go back a billion years, it would have been a gas planet. Also, the moon Phobos, research is finding it also came from an impact. And it's moving closer to Mars. Within 130 million years, it will crash into Mars. So it can't be that old. And actually, it used to be bigger. More observations showing it shrinking. That means that the moon will have bigger tidal effect too. In fact, Mars station Mars itself is actually not Mars when a core cools down, the entire planet shrinks, and you vaporize uh, stuff like CO2 or sulfur or yeah, vaporize carbon into the atmosphere. With the solar wind, they blow away what's directly the atmosphere. So that there goes a lot of planetary material. Which is why a lot of terraforming ideas might actually just make matters worse. And they can get that magnetic field up. Thickening the atmosphere will just blow from planetary material, will just blow away more planetary material. Oh, and the ground would, how much do you think the ground would shrink? Once the water in the ground goes, the ground itself would collapse. And that over the entire world, the Earth ground would also shrink some more. Mars was much more Earth-like, much more recently. Millions of years instead of billions of years. Maybe solar wind radiation affected the geometric dating, or maybe there was life for a while without a magnetic field. Maybe a water shield from the cold, freezing ice and upper atmosphere, maybe that gradually blew away much more slowly.